Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I got a Polaris 1994 2x4 Trail Boss 250, and like all of them around this year, we had issues with the brake master cylinder not working. This threads into the brake master cylinder. You can get a cheap aftermarket one on eBay for $25–30 bucks. However, this one requires a banjo bolt. These threads are not the same. So I'll show you what to do to get that fixed so we can get this together and hook it up. Pop open your tap and die set, remove the banjo bolt. Threads on this sucker here, M10 by 1.25. We get her to focus here. M10 1.25. Help from my lovely assistant. We can see that that thread is the same. It is a match. Assemble your die into your holder. Alright, we got the die in the holder. Take a vice grip, pliers, whatever you got, clamp it on, and go ahead and run it over the threads. That's what the threads look like after you run your die over them. Looks nice. Take a washer here, throw that over, screw your master cylinder on, there you have it, bolted up to your handlebars, and you are good to go.
Seeks a fine young lady from a similar background. Generous, responsible, successful man of means. Socialize with presidents and queens.
It really looks like a pile of shit. This cover doesn't make any sense.
I know, I saw that too. Oh. There you have it. Tighten it down, crank it down, open up the cap, fill it with fluid, bleed your lines. Thank you for watching.
P.O. Box 9847. P.O. Box 9847. I've described me